Tired of missing deadlines and feeling overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list? Let's dive into how to set reminders in Microsoft To Do, your secret weapon for staying organized and on top of your tasks. First, open the Microsoft To Do app on your phone or computer. You should see your existing lists or the option to create a new one. To add a new task, tap the plus sign or the Add a Task option, usually located at the bottom of your screen or within a specific list. Type in the name of your task, for example, Submit Project Proposal, and press Enter or tap Add. Now, select the task you just created. You'll see various options for adding details. Look for the Due Date option. Tap on Due Date, and a calendar will pop up. Choose the date you want the reminder to be set for, and you can even set a specific time if needed. Below the date, you'll find options to set a reminder for a specific time. You can also choose if the task repeats daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Once you've selected the date and time, tap down or save. You'll now see the due date and reminder displayed within the task details. To add even more detail, tap Add Note here. You can include any relevant information, instructions, or links related to the task. And that's it. Microsoft To Do will now send you a notification at the specified time, reminding you to complete your task. Now you're ready to conquer your to-do list. Subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks to master Microsoft To Do.